Despite manual processing, instruments often remain heavily contaminated. This results not only in increased instrument wear, but also presents a major hygiene risk. With the DAC Universal S, you can easily adhere to hygiene standards and keep your patients and your practice team safe. The new DAC Universal S reprocesses your instruments in approximately 21 minutes, including cooling. And this is what the DAC Universal S infection control workflow looks like. Following treatment, the instruments are taken to the reprocessing room. There, they are clipped on the lid. Use the pink lid for straight and contra-angle handpieces and turbines, and the white lid for numerous other instruments. The DAC Universal S identifies the lid when inserted and selects the right program automatically. One push of a button is enough to start the process. The DAC Universal S performs all necessary steps autonomously. Meanwhile, there is time for other things. After approximately 21 minutes, the lid moves up automatically, and the instruments can be used promptly. For critical treatments, use ZeroSeal Premium to seal and DAC Premium to sterilize the wrapped instruments. With the DAC Universal S, your instruments always receive optimal care, and your clinic is hygienically ideally set up. DAC Universal S. Enjoy reprocessing.